Candice.
Hello dear friends, today we are going to discuss about this Allen Bladry SMC Flex. This soft starter is a little bit new to so many people. Yeah, and okay, basically what we are going to discuss, let us discuss about these connections here down here. Okay. There is number 11 and 12. 11 and 12, you are going to give direct supply 220 and neutral. This soft starter, unlike the other models or the other types of soft starter, this one, it doesn't have internal output supply, maybe like 24 volts or something. This one you have to give supply from external. So when that, I'll give number 1 supply. I loop it direct also to number 11 and 16. I give supply. Also number 13 and 14 I'll give neutral. I'll give direct neutral. Then in case you want to run, basically you're going to loop this to 20. To 20, you loop it direct to 17. For example, I can show a small example. Give me a small cable. Remove insulation. So when running this soft starter, what in essence we just do, there is 220 here at 16. So 220, I just give it to 17. And my motor there, my small motor is running. That one is done by this fast relay. Down there, I've put 24V, but it is not 24 actually, it is not 24 volts, it is 220. Then when this relay will energize, it will give supply to L1. And L1 is coming to number 17. Number 19 and 20, that's a relay. That one I've used as a trip relay. You see number 1 is my 24 volts inside. And number 7 will go and energize the trip relay. The same thing I've done here. 33 and 34 is another relay. There are several relays, maybe four or 3. Number 33 also, that one I give the supply 24 volts. Number 8 will energize the relay, which will be showing that the soft starter is running. So number 7 from one relay, this is a trip relay. Number 8 is a run relay. So there are several relays here, and actually, because they are in numbers, somebody has to know them very carefully. Now we shall go to programming, just the basic program. Yeah, so just press this one, you go direct to the menu. Okay, that is for monitoring. In case you want to see when the motor is operational, you can go inside metering, and you can see the voltage between the phases, different phases. Yeah, but we are not interested in that, so we escape. You go down to setup. You enter basic setup. Yeah, and there you are. You go back. You go motor connection. This indicated line. Escape. There's no other option actually in motor. There's no other option. It's only line. Okay, so you escape. Then we go to the next. escape, scroll down, line voltage. Already that one we have programmed here in UAE. It is for 400 volts. Just in case you want to change, this is what you do. Once it highlights, then you'll be able to change. You can change from here, and then you have to escape like that. Then scroll down, start in mode, soft start, escape, scroll down, runtime, that one we have set 15 seconds, escape, scroll down, kickstart, those ones we have left as they are according to default. A full load current, it's 452 because this one is 250 kilowatt soft starter. So we have set, we are not sure about the motor, but we have just set 452 amps. That's the full load current. So we escape, scroll down, forward reset, manual, we want it to reset, not automatic but manual if it trips. So escape, scroll down. Basically those are just the basic settings. We'll just discuss the basic settings, nothing more. Okay, and we have also the diagnosis. You know, those who know the medical terms, diagnostics actually is just checking the faults and all that. The faults and the alarms. You can hear it where you can check when it. The moment the last time it trips, or it tripped, what was the problem? Just escape. Then we can go, in case you want to put a password that somebody cannot change the program. Already the password from default is 0, so just enter. Then it is just here. Enter, the default is 0. You can put your own password so that people will not interfere with your program. But in this case we don't want to put a password because we are sending it outside, and different people will be working on it. Okay, now we escape. I think that is for today. It's enough for today, but we can just run a little. Let's run. We run from there. You can see my motor is 3 kilowatt. It's taking around 6 point something. This one can run a small load also directly. You don't have to do any programming or to do anything. You just run directly. Okay, thank you. That's for today. See you guys.